Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear view camera, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.